Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Tuesday the 29th of November 2022. Looking across crypto markets today to bring you up to date with any major news headlines. Nothing new as of yet today. Main ones yesterday late in the evening were BlockFi, who filed for bankruptcy as the FTX contagion spreads. Basically, the crypto lending company filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection days after suspending withdrawals. The company had been valued at $3 billion in 2021 and received a $400 million loan from FTX this year. And it reportedly has around $257 million cash in hand with more than 100,000 creditors. That's pretty much it with the major news headlines. I'll bring you up to speed with the technicals. Hasn't really been affecting price too much. To be honest, price yesterday was moving down with a global equity sentiment as well. So that correlation was certainly there yesterday with equities moving lower. You also saw BTC move lower. But with that, even with the bankruptcy there, BlockFi hasn't had any impact at all on markets, as we can see here. Litecoin ticking back higher again. We were expecting that to fully fade really all the way back down into 60, but we have climbed back above 75 now, and maybe the move back into 80 will be on the cards. Ethereum, meanwhile, we talked about that line in the sand being 1185, 11890, and we've seen a bit of mean reversion around this level. To be honest, we haven't seen any clear direction above or below. It's been a case of mean reverting around this area so far. Maybe we'll have to wait for the next major risk on move where we see equities fly high. You might also see cryptos moving higher with it as well. Meanwhile, Bitcoin fully faded. Yesterday's move lower and on the move higher as we speak, but getting above basically that current week high and last week's high is going to probably be the main challenge for Bitcoin, and that probably come through at around 16,813. So just watch out when we do get to that level, because we had a reversal looking pin bar off that area last week. Ripple, meanwhile, pretty flat, not much change there. We're trading around that 0.3870 handles, probably the main level to be watching today. But we have been able to put in several several higher lows, I should say, since that move down on the 9th of this month, as we look to step up a full fade back into the 0.4445 region. That's a wrap on today's crypto session brief. I will see you all inside the crypto chat room. Have a great day trading, and bye for now.